what you'll do this first round, you'll touch and feel and like get used to it, talk about your plan and have a general discussion. Once you do that, some of you will disassemble this. Great job, round of applause for you. So, you took the simulation, you touched it and felt it, except for you. And so I see that you have all of your pieces laid out here on your logistics table, and it looks like that you have a plan. So Raul, are you the one explaining to us the plan right now?
Yes. Well, we are the dream team, and here is how we organize the trade. First, we are gonna build the blue ones, and then the green, and then we are gonna prefabricate the green and the red. That's Daniel and Emilio's job.
So you're saying the columns, the gray and the red go together?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. That's absolutely fantastic.
We also did this building like path. We are starting from west to east. We want to divide it like around 2 zones. So this half might start at first with the blue things first, and then as I finish, the other will be the next trade. That will be the sequence that we are taking.
Okay, so I love this, and when I look at it, it looks like you know exactly where you're going. You have the direction of the flow. Your buyout looks like you have one crew, one crew, one crew. Since these are prefabricated, you'll only need one person. Columns you won't need to double up. You'll pick either Daniel or Emilio.
Okay, Daniel is the...
Okay, so cross off Emilio. What is the brown?
The slabs.
Oh, the slab one, great, wonderful. Okay, so that's Samuel. The yellow is Carol, and then white is Ana Luisa. Orange Olga. Roof panel, Olga. So you have 2. So you're saying that these 2 are prefabricated, so you'll be the installer, right? Emilio, I'll allow you to be like the rigger. Like if the other person is actually craning it into place, you can like help align it, maybe do a little bit of punch list. Olga's the installer, you're like punch list, help, guide. Okay, so this is prefabricated, so that actually does make sense, and you can write Emilio over here as the helper, and then storefront is Nico, yeah? Is there anything specific how you're gonna build this, or should we just let you go and see how it happens? We're ready to go? Okay, give yourself a round of applause.